Well, good morning to our dignitaries, to Congressman Perlmutter, to our distinguished mayor. Thank you, Madam Mayor, for being here. For the councilman, and how about, and for my SDU comrades in arms. How about this beautiful Colorado morning? Isn't this amazing? It's really something special. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the military portion of what this means to us and means to me. And to do that, it's going to be a little bit interactive. And with that being said, could I have my SCU combat veterans, and sir, could you please join them over here to my right? Yang Chi, I may need you to translate. DT, you're going to have a role in this. Please join me on the stage. Come on down. DT, could you get a chair for the captain here? I need a chair. Please join right on in. Just squeeze it. Thank you. For the thank you. Still remains. I have brought another widow with me today, and her husband was my wingman in Iraq, and he received a combat-related illness and passed away recently. For Kubla, for you, Lieutenant Colonel, and for you, Susie Coates, who is also a veteran and a Marine. Will you please stand? I apologize for the noise over there. I'll try to talk over it. It won't last long. Today, in my speech, I'm going to use my uniform as to explain who we are and why we do what we do. Notice that I'm in blue, and that in blue, it represents the United States Air Force. Green, the United States Army and the SCU. Dark blue in the United States is for our Navy, and the darker green is for our Marines. Our three buttons. Our buttons reflect three honors: duty, honor, and country. Our duty to ourselves and to our nation. Our honor to our family and to our nations. Amongst me I stand with many of them. And our countries that are well represented and shared. Next, I bring up to you our ribbons. We get the ribbons because they are near and dear to our heart, and they're for combat-related missions. I have some here that stand before me that have the ribbons, and the closest one to your heart and the highest one is the most honorable one. Please, Captain Vang, please step forward. He is wearing the United States Army Purple Heart, 3 times wounded in war. Sir. Captain Vang. Major Vang. Notice the Purple Heart. That was issued to him by the United States Army. And I had the privilege of pinning that on him a few years ago. Next on our uniforms, we wear badges above them, above the medals. And that shows what we have done. And this, for me, I have also been jump qualified, and there's a jump master right here to my right. The colonel was a jump master. Okay, and I will bring them forward. I would like to bring forward all the wounded SCU up front. wounded, saving American lives. Next, I wear the wings of the United States Air Force. And these wonderful pilots brought in this T-28 to show what has been done for the Hmong and a T-28 to represent flying, saving American lives. John had told us some of the stories of how he lived because of a rocket attack. Next up, on our lapels, we wear the United States, the U.S. They wear the same kind of symbol for their country. And this is who we represent, who they represent, and we have become allies with our symbols. Next on our shoulders, we wear our rank. But the rank only symbolizes what position we have in command. But trust me, bullets do not care what rank that we wear. They are equally lethal to a general as they are to a corporal. And so we wear this rank to distinguish ourselves who's in control. But be very certain of one thing, we follow each other's command. And one thing we do is that we have a brotherhood that we will survive, leaving no one behind. One die, all die. And that is our creed. Hold on. Probably the most important thing that we have on our uniform is our name, because we proudly represent our families. Yang-Chi, I'll have to have you translate this. I would like each and every one of the widows to please take the microphone and say your name and the name of your lost husband, one at a time.
Nay cho phân chùa na tụi nay phun nó hạt tiề còn nay hay nay tụi chí luôn bề nay tụi chí tàu tua trong đua trò nó cho nay chơi cho chơi được chơi nay tụi chí hồ đi cha ít tụ chú chú nữa nay phun phunเองphun อยากฮู้ว่าผัวของพวกเจ้านะพวกแม่ไม้นี่ผัวเจ้าเป็นไผแท้เอาสื่อมาเว้าดังๆอยู่นี่เพราะว่ามือนี่แม่นมือเฮานับถือเลยระลึกถึงดวงวิญญาณของเขาเด้อ
เอาคำลาวก็ได้ปะพอใครซื้อนานแก่นชายวง
พอข่อยจือหมายคำเพธรรมวงศ์กูตุจีหัวจะจริงเขา
tôi chỉ chú sĩ vàng
มีsựยังยี่ยัง
ยังได้
có tu chỉ cho lâu tuổi có tu chỉ cho sáng sớm lâu cô tu chỉ cho giam bị
我肚子要种马尾，古天女是有的钱咯，只不过我到你家的是女人还见得到我到鸟到，被得钱到被路里鸟他还到嘛，个等于路大里说我学的周天 ，Thank you very much.
All are gone, but never forgotten. The same that we have here today. To this testimony of our love and our appreciation for each other as fellow combatants. Let us celebrate today the SCU. Let us celebrate each other, and let us never forget, war is not over. We continue. My friend Susie Copes, Kubla, it's not over. We will honor and respect their memories forever. Thank you very much for attending, and thank you so much for allowing me to speak. Okay. Thank you. Translator, we can clear the stage.